sleeping. Shh. Is he sleeping?
Ryder, is Dave sleeping? Is David sleeping? Tell him shh. Give him a kiss night night.
Do it again. Do it again.
Get him up, Ryder. Wake him up. Oh. Ryder, wake him up. You guys be quiet. Wake him up. Tell him wake up. Tell him wake up. Get him up. Wake him up.
Oh, God.
No hitting. That's bad. Do I hit you? No, I don't. That was very mean.
Say sorry.
Say sorry.
Oh, he's sad.
That was mean. You hurt me. Say sorry.
Get her back.